Hello everyone, today's video is going to be about a high idle modification on a mid-90s 12 valve Cummins. You could use it as a cruise control, but if you do it wrong, that's not really recommended, especially if you're an automatic. But very simple. Right down here is your cruise control servo. It's a pain in the neck to get to. But you'll have a black wire. It's 4 pins. The black is constant ground. The blue and red is power from your brake pedal when your brakes are not on. When you press the brake, it disconnects the power going to that wire, cutting power to the servo and returning your RPM to normal. You'll have a green and red, which needs constant ground to hold vacuum in the servo. You put it on a normally closed switch. Like so. The bottom one is normally closed. Pushing opens it, allowing vacuum out of the servo. This, normally open switch up top, goes to the tan wire. You're grounding these out. Ground this out, that opens the servo, allowing vacuum in, raising your idle or your RPM. Pushing this one removes the ground circuit, allowing vacuum out of the servo. Like so. At idle now, foot off the gas. When you cut the power from the switch on your brake pedal, drops back down to idle like normal. Very simple. You actually have no power running in the cab. It's all grounds. Extremely simple to do. Requires running 4 wires, having a normally open switch, this one, and a normally closed switch, that one. In the end, by disconnecting the tan and red and the green and red and substituting them with 2 wires running into the cab for these switches, the cruise on actually allows you to adjust to idle. But it also allows you to kill your adjustments too.